Hello guys, my name is Ronald RoOnTheGo. I'm retired and now I'm traveling through Thailand. After the borders are open, I go to China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, Philippines. You can see a lot of amazing temples, beautiful nature and nice people. Hello guys, I'm now in Lanna and this is the square, it's the center, a lot of temples over here. Like you can see over there. I don't know the name of the temple, but it's a nice temple. So this is the name, but my Thai is not very good. But we have to see. Let's go inside, guys. Take my shoes off.
Original.
Whoa, this is also a nice one. Look at this. So you have 4 Buddhas. One here. One here. One there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the ornaments also. Look at this, guys. How they carved everything. Like it's wood, so how precise. Unbelievable. Very beautiful. Oh, look at this, guys. Everything is. So this is like old. Very old. Look at this also. How old is this? How old? The temple? How old is the temple? 400 years? 400. How old is this temple?
420.
Oh, 420. Okay, couple of thank you. So 420 years, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is amazing. Look at the paintings also. Very nice, very beautiful. Like 4 Buddhas also, 420 years. Very beautiful. Look at the ornaments of the door. Amazing, eh? Everything is wood. So 420 years old. Beautiful. So this is non center. A lot of beautiful temples, like in the very close to each other. 420 years old. Beautiful, guys. Hello guys, I'm in Nam in north of Thailand, and this is a night bazaar. Look at the amazing temple there. It's 400 years old. So this is the night bazaar. It begins at 8 o'clock. This is an amazing temple, 400 years old, guys. Spicy, yeah? Spicy no good for me. Sorry. I love Thailand, but spicy no good for me. Kabelga, thank you. I don't know what this is. Thank you, Kabelga. Fleisch. Links. Yeah, over there they're eating, so in front of the temple. Oh. We take Coca-Cola. This I like, guys. If you're thirsty, it's 20 baht. So it's like 40 cents or something. So. Kabelga, thank you. Thank you, bye bye, bye bye. This is little egg. Hey Sadvika, how are you?
5 บาท 10 บาท
Oh yeah, 5 baht, that this one.
ครับผม
ครับผมครับ This is egg, hè? Egg. ครับผม
สวัสดีค่ะ
This is.
ฟรีวันหมดวันหมดฟรี
Oh yeah, free. This one free, yeah? Oh yeah, free. ครับผมครับ thank you.
50 บาท
50 baht, hè? Oh, and do you have soya sauce? Oh, two sauce. 50 baht. ครับผมครับ thank you. Yeah, 2 soya sauce. No wasabi, only soya sauce. Yeah, soya sauce.
เดี๋ยวเนื้อก็เราเนื้อจ้าจะหมดแล้วนะคะ
I like the soya sauce.
อันนี้หนูใช้อันนี้ใกล้กับ
ครับผมครับ thank you. Yeah,ครับ oh, one more soya sauce. ครับผม thank you. ครับผม I don't know what it is. It's 20, eh? 20 baht. 20, eh? This.
ยาวมากเลยนะ
How about? It's like a pancake or something. Nice. Look at it.
จะไหนไปกินอย่าไปได้ยัง
There's sugar and then they butter.
เดี๋ยวจะเอาตรงนี้อยู่แล้วโอเคทำไงลูกไข่หนึ่งเป้าเดี๋ยวแม่เดินเข้าไปหาแล้วโบกมือแล้วกัน
Here they put sugar on it and then like something like chocolate or something.
สแกนได้ไหมเจ๊มากมากเลยได้ด้วยเหรอได้ทำไปแตกได้ด้วยเหรอ
ไม่ขโมยเงินว้าย
นี่นะคะลูกสไลด์กันค่ะ
Okay, guys. So this is the night market. Okay, 20, yeah? 20 baht, eh? This one. Oh, because it's big. Oh, yeah. Do you have also small? Oh, no small. Oh. Oh, okay, kapuga. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, this is the night market at Nan. And see you soon. Bye bye, be safe, bye bye.